Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Shri Your Taste Buddy. Today let's prepare broccoli stuffed tomato. A delicious, mouth-watering and exotic in taste, a perfect restaurant style recipe filled with cheese and lots of flavors. So let's start. For this you need 4 to 5 medium sized fresh tomatoes, half cup of chopped broccoli washed and drained, 2 cubes of cheese grated, half cup of corn, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon oregano, 1/4 cup of milk with little cream, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. To get a flat base, cut a little top and bottom portion of the tomato as I am showing here. Just be aware that there are no open pores at the bottom side, just to avoid the leakage of stuffing. After you are done with base, de-scoop the tomato with the help of knife and then using a spoon get out all the seeds of the tomato. Now you can see we have a cup form of tomato. Now the tomato cups are formed. Now let's prepare the stuffing. To a bowl add chopped broccoli, half cup of corn, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon oregano, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of milk. This is home milk with the cream in it, salt to taste, pepper to taste. Gently mix all the ingredients. At this stage, if you feel the mixture is not binded well, you can add a little more mayonnaise to it and give a gentle mix. Now you can see we have got a nice binding of all these flavors and vegetables. Our stuffing is ready. Now at the bottom add little grated cheese and press it gently. Then with help of a small spoon add the prepared stuffing of broccoli and corn and try pressing it gently. We press it so that while frying the stuffing doesn't come out. In the same manner, fill in all the scoops. You can now see how beautiful and colorful our stuffed tomatoes look. Now let's cook them. Heat a pan on low flame with 2 teaspoons oil. Once the oil is heated up, add the stuffed tomato upside down in the pan and close them with a lid. Cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes you can see the base is cooked really well. Now flip them on the other side and cook them on the other side as well. Close the lid and cook for about half to 1 minute. After 1 minute you can see the base is nicely cooked and a brown layer is formed. Now cook this stuffed tomato from all the sides. Shallow frying these stuffed tomato melts the cheese inside and gives the stuffing a crispier taste, and also the roasted tomato adds a tangy flavor to this dish. Now you can see it is nicely roasted on the other side. Just roll it on the other side where it is not cooked. Our stuffed tomato is cooked from all the sides. You can see a nice brown layer around it. Our broccoli stuffed tomato is ready to be served. Enjoy this roasted tangy tomato with combination of exotic vegetables and cheese. Makes it a unique recipe. Trust me, it tastes like a continental dish. Surprise your guests with this different kind of recipe. Try this out and share your experience in comment section. Thank you for watching my recipe. Check and subscribe my channel for more such interesting recipes.